Good evening, and before you say anything, I have been on the ambulance all day, and that's why I do not have peanut butter on my head. It's 11:43 at night, and I'm finally getting a chance to make my video. Been super busy. For some reason, I can't get my introductory video to work tonight, so I'm just going to go right in to answering the question. You asked me, what do I like doing in my pastime? Very simple answer. I don't really have a whole lot of extra time on my hands. I work up to about 85 hours a week right now. I spend about 4 or 5 hours a week at the gym, and the rest of my time, I don't really get a chance to do much. But I do have 3 things that I do like to do in my spare time when I get it. 3 very simple games: Star Wars Heroes, Clash of Clans, and new here, Clash Royale. First off, Star Wars Heroes is a game to where you have to unlock specific heroes from the Star Wars universe. Luke Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Darth Vader, Count Dooku. I'm working on getting Yoda. He's super hard to get. Grand Moff Tarkin. Let's see. Eth Koth, a whole bunch of different characters, like Ahsoka Tano, Chewbacca, all those guys you work to unlock, and then you fight other people, you fight the main missions, anything you can do to get more cards, to unlock more characters. Right now, I'm really trying to work at unlocking Yoda, and if you play Heroes, you know why, because he's just going to be a boss, super OP. So that's my main mission right now. Secondly, Clash of Clans. Now, I've been playing Clash of Clans for going on almost 3 years now since its release date. Very soon after its release date, I got involved in playing it. It's been good to me. I've been almost consistently playing. I did take a small break, but Clash of Clans is a game to where you try to build up your own town. You join a team, and your teams war against each other to where you can build up points for your team and get special stats for your team. You're also trying to build up your own base to where you can unlock harder characters like the Pika or the Golem, which is one of my favorites, and the Hog Riders. Hog Riders. I'm sorry, I love Hog Riders. Goho Attack. Remember, if you're looking at Clash of Clans videos from the past, love the Goho Attack. But Clash of Clans is a game I highly recommend. It's a very, very good game. And last on my list, the third one, but definitely not least, is Clash Royale, a continuation of what Clash of Clans is, to where you go head-to-head battling with troops from the Clash of Clans universe against other players. Same clan concept. They did a great job of keeping the same Clash feel in a new game. And Supercell does a great job with that. I highly recommend that you play Clash Royale, especially if you're into Clash of Clans. Now, brother, I have a question for you. I know you got Clash Royale before it was widely released, and you did a good job with that, and you really built up your character. You really got a good head start on everybody else. So you know a lot more about Clash Royale than I do or other people that in America may know. So I'm giving you this question. Give us a good, honest review of Clash Royale. The things that you want to see better, the things that are great, and the things that just need to be tweaked a little bit. Man, I'll expect your answer tomorrow. Have a good night.